If you also want to see your image in high quality in Adobe InDesign, so just you have to keep selected your object and you need to change the display performance. So to change the display performance, simply have to go on view and you can find the option display performance. Now as you can see here, it is on typical display. Just you have to click on high quality display, and you can also use the shortcut key Ctrl plus Alt plus H for this option. Okay, once you will click on high quality display, you can see here it is our image quality get changed. Now it is coming in high quality, and this is exactly thing you can also change by just clicking right, and you can see the option display performance. Just you have to click on high quality. Now you can see our image quality has been changed. By the way, Adobe InDesign keep in typical display only, because sometime if you work on multi pages and a lot of images, so it can be too much heavy, our system gets slow. So that's why I will recommend keep in typical display only. But you don't worry about the quality of image. Once you will export your file into PDF format, so all the images will come in high quality only. Okay, if you want to see in high quality in Adobe InDesign only, so I have already explained you how you can see your image in high quality. Just you need to change your display performance. Okay.
Lee Graphics.